Alright, you guys, in the last tutorial you learned about the basic tags, which were, I guess, the HTML tag, the head tag, the title tag, and the body tag, and some of the tags like div, span, and paragraph. So in this tutorial we'll try to make this letter inside our HTML document. So I guess this letter is this letter ends here and ends here this much. So just imagine this as printed on an A4 size paper. So while we code it inside our HTML document, the whole width will be crossing till here. Alright, so don't get confused if here the content comes till here and here the content stretches around the whole page. So let's start. The first line is in center, so let's just start with the bare bones of an HTML document. We'll go in the body tag and I'll just add some text. So this comes here, but here we can see that this is in center, and we all know that the paragraph tag stretches around the whole width of the document. So I'll just add the align attribute, so it comes in the center. And okay, let me just write it down. So this was the first line. The next line is the address, and this can be made with again with the paragraph tag, or also you can use the div tag with this. Let us try to do this with the div tag because we already have used the paragraph tag. So when I refresh this inside my document, you can already see that this is left aligned. I guess div has an align attribute. Let me check. Yes, it has an align attribute which you can use. So here, if I even use div or if I even use p, it won't make any difference because both try to you can try to get same effect with both the tags. But now you can see the whole address is coming on the same line. So some of you might say that you have typed it on the same line, so it's showing like this. So let me just press enter after the name. Here is the name, but still it shows this because HTML doesn't take the new lines inside the HTML document. So to come to the next line, you have another tag called line break tag, break line tag. It is the BR. So if you want to break the line here, you will go like this. BR is a standalone tag, so just let me you know it doesn't make any difference if you get this on the different line or you keep it right here, it will both mean the same. So So next is on this one, then LA852, then comes the telephone. All right. Yep. So we have got this much part done. Another tag which I would like to tell you is, you see that there is a difference between this text is bold and this is not, and also there is, you know, an extra line inside here. So to get this done, you have to insert one more line break before the, so this will become two line breaks and this will come down. Let me get the date down. Alright, so you know, to tell the browser that make the address bold, you have another tag called tag B. It is a sandwich tag. It is a sandwich tag. So now since we have included all this address and also the line break, so it will just show, it will break line whenever it will come across this tag. So since all the you know, the content is inside the B tag, whenever I refresh it, it will become bold. So let me just populate all the data. Next, since we have used div tag, this time we will use p tag. So it's 2, and then you can just start using br, right? So br, so this will break the line here, Mr. Again there is a line break, Saint Mary. Again there is a line break. There are too much line breaks here. 534. Again line break. 83752. And again here right now I have not included the bold tag, and you can see there is one more, I guess 2-3 lines between the two, and here I can guess there is one line. So I'll just include one more line break between the both tags. Yeah, so this is done, and then we will include p tag inside. We will nest the p tag, so you can see the p tag starts here and then ends here. So the content of the p tag we will enclose it inside a b tag, and here it ends. Let me just take this out. So this got bold. So this can be done in this way, or if you want the p tag to be inside and the b tag to be outside, still it will show the same results because we have nested the tags correctly. Let me go ahead, and this all this we will use the p tag again. We'll just put one line break here, and then in text, I don't care whatever it is. I'll just show you that I'm not putting any line breaks here. This was the first, and I guess there are more 3 lines here. I'll just add doctor here, dear, and br. Yes, let me just, you know, keep on inserting. So yeah, this is enough, I guess. And again, you do see that I put a lot of spaces inside here. So this ASDF is the last last text that I've got here, which is this. And if you see, I put a lot of spaces here. It still stays here, right? Because HTML does not HTML overrides the white spaces, I guess. So to show a space, there is an HTML entity which is the ampersand sign. So I'll just put it here. Here this is one space, right? And it is showing, but if I put one more space, it won't show here. So instead of that one more space, I'll put ampersand NBSP and a semicolon. So now it goes ahead. So the number of NBSPs I put is the amount of space it gets. So another one is NBSP. Alright, so this is the first paragraph, and then just let me, this is where it I'll just copy paste. Okay, don't forget to indent your code, because that a nice indented HTML is what everyone wants. So there are 4 paragraphs, so I'll just copy this paragraph twice. This is 4th paragraph, and then I'll put one BR and one more BR, so that it goes below, and then I'll add one more paragraph tag, sincerely, one BR, another BR, and Mary. So I guess our HTML is ready. So you see, this is more stretched out, right? Because this is the A4 size paper. So I'll just show you how it will look when you print this. So let me just, yeah, this is the A4 size paper, and which looks almost similar to what it is in here. One more thing, guys, HTML is how you structure things inside an HTML document. Okay, so if you want to put colors and all that inside this, or there are also more examples about this, when you have paragraph, like this will be one paragraph, but you have some text here and some text here. So that can be done with CSS, which will be in the next tutorial. We are covering just HTML here, and HTML is basically used for structuring the documents. The styling part will be done in CSS. So this I have shown you how to work around with the paragraph tags and the div tags to get this document done. And two more tag that we got to know about is BR tag, which is line break tag, bold tag. Okay, one more tag I'll show you. Let me just italicize the date. So this will show the date in italicized form. And also, again, if you want to underline it, so I'll just nest this, put a U tag around the I tags. U is underline, so it gets. And again, if you want to bold this whole, I'll put a bold tag around everything. Okay, so do not forget to end your bold tags, because if you don't end a paragraph tag, HTML will automatically understand wherever the paragraph ends, and it will work around. But if you don't end your bold tag or your italic tag, then your whole document will show in the tag you have not ended, which is very problematic sometimes, and then you have to go around finding for the tag which you have not ended. So best practice is to first, whenever you are making tags, you should just start the tag and then end it, and then you should start populating the tag inside, so that you don't forget. If you forget to end the tag, it's already there. And another thing is you need to keep indenting your documents so that it looks good at least, because if your document is not indented, then you'll have to keep on finding where the tags are and all. So let me just wind up everything. We used the p tag to get this inside in the center. Then we used a div tag to get the address part, which is this one. And then we used two line breaks to get the date uh, below the email ID, but there should be one line between it. Then we used a paragraph tag to get the send to address. And then we put a b tag around it to get the whole address in bold. Then we use 4 paragraph tags to get these 4 paragraphs inside. Then we used 2 break line tags to get this 2 lines below. And then we sincerely marriage in, and also NBSP to tell the browser that there is a space around here. So read the description for, or read the blog post for more information about these new tags. Thank you.